What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my bedroom. Alright guys, so for today's video we've had a custom order for some Shrek earrings, some studded earrings. So I'm going to take you along the journey with that. I've already printed them and stuck them to timber and cut them out. So I'm going to show you how I sand them, put them on the backings, do the resin and all that kind of thing. While I actually have you here, I will show you some of the designs that we have been working on lately. Alright, so these are the designs we're doing today. We've got the Shrek ones there, got some Black Lives Matter, we've got some cute little sloths, and some yin and yangs. Alright guys, now it's time to sand them all up, get them all nice and then we'll bring them back inside, put some resin on top to make the picture really pop, and from there we'll put the backings on and they should be good to go. So I hope you enjoy the process. Alright guys, we've cut all the shapes out now, we're back inside, we've got our silicone mat laid down, we've got our little cup of resin here as you can see in this camera, we've just got the hardener that we do still need to add. So what we're going to do is we've flipped all the designs over, so we're going to get our resin and our backings and just put a little bit of resin on the back of the timber, that way our backings are nice and solid and stick on there. One very important tip when doing resin, especially when you have a syringe and a cup, is to make sure that you always pour this back in here and mix it around and then suck up some more. And the reason you do that is because you don't want the one in the cup to miss out. You don't want it to get lonely, so you mix it around and then it gives everyone a chance to have some fun. Alright guys, we've now put all the backings on, as you can see. All the backings are nice and glued on there now, so we have to wait at least 12 hours for all that resin to dry, and then we'll come back in 12 hours, flip them over, put some more resin on the top, and yeah.
Alright guys, all the resin is done now, so in about 15 minutes I will run a lighter across the top of them just to pop any air bubbles that have risen to the surface, but after that in about 48 hours they will be ready to dry, package up and send off to our customers. So be sure to comment what you thought of this video down below, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.